Hey guys, today is, I don't even know which day it is. I'm thinking it's like day 7. Wait, 8, because I already did 7. Because today you'll be getting 2 videos again today. So yeah, because I didn't edit the day 7 video yesterday, so you'll be getting 2 videos today. So today's day 8. Yesterday was day 7. And for today's makeup look, I had this idea. It looks kind of complicated, but I think I might be able to do it. We'll see. It has a little Grinch hand on it. This is from Pinterest. But yeah, looks a little, but I might be able to do it. We'll give it a go. It might not work. And I also did like an update video on my TikTok about these. They worked pretty well. They stayed on all day, and I kind of want to see if they'll re-stick back on, or if it's just like a one-time deal, or if you can use them multiple times. So that's what we're also gonna like test out. And the palette, this palette doesn't have any, it's like blank, nothing on it. I don't even know where I got this from, but super colorful, has lots of green, which we'll be using. But also about this palette, I can't remember where I got it from. There's no like labels on it or anything, but you can remove the top layer, and then there's like another layer with different colors, and oh my god, and like this is like all nudes. I think there's only 3 layers, but that's kind of cool. I don't know where I got this from. There's like no label on it, it's just blank, so. But we'll be using this palette, this layer, because it has a bunch of green on it. Looks like it has some green shimmery and some green matte shades. Got this same old stuff I've been using over and over again in these videos, like the same. Everything else is pretty much the same. Using this face palette again. Oh, and I might also use where's the other one? These LA Color eyeliners. There's a green and a black. So yeah, this is the goal. But I don't know if it'll look that good. I don't know if it'll do that. I don't know if that'll be possible. Start with the base, and then we'll get into the eye stuff. This doesn't have a mirror on it though. I need to grab no mirror. So I'm gonna grab this guy. Keeps making reappearances, but I need a mirror, so yeah. I have a bloody nose. What? Do you see that? It's like getting on my... What the heck? I'm gonna call that good. Off on a great start. The show must go on. Gonna use this like foundation stuff. So crazy. Tissues on standby in case it starts bleeding again. But I didn't even notice that until I saw my nose ring. There was like blood on it. I'm like, what the heck? Face is done. We survived. Okay. So yeah, that's the look we're going for. I'm going to attempt. So it looks like they do like just green, like a green base. Then they do like a glitter eyeliner or something, and then they do regular eyeliner and the little Grinch thing, from what I could tell. So yeah, got that. I don't know, maybe I should go with one of the lighter greens. My crayon gonna get a little color swatch. It's like a light green. Going, so it's like, oh my god, I'm like scratching it. I just scratched it. It's like this top color right there. So yeah, we will go in with that all over. It's kind of shimmery. If I can show it. But I think I'm gonna do the eyeliner next. I feel like that'd be easier to do it that way. And then do the green glitter last. And we're gonna see if this LA Colors eyeliner is going to work. I feel like pencil liners are like hit or miss. Like they're either really good or really bad. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't mess it up when I try to do this side. Oh dear. Gotta look back at the picture. I'm trying to do like an outline for like the hand. This is a little like crab claw. It looks kind of short. Should I keep it that short? It looks so silly. Okay. This probably still has red on it. Okay, I need more red. Here's like a red color. Like covering it like right there. Okay, I'm gonna use like this, like juggling this. That like dark green. I think. I'm trying to use the one that's above it. That one. I think that might be better. Grinch green. I wonder if I can use like this green eyeliner and kind of outline it with that too, instead of outlining it with the black. Yeah, that's the little Grinch hand. It's kind of. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cute. Green eyeliner. I'll add more of the green that we used first. It's kind of cute, kind of fun. Kind of cute little Grinch hand on your eye. It's stealing an ornament. It kind of looks like an apple, but it's supposed to be like a Christmas ornament. Going in with that, like, that top green. Where is it? There. This brush is like needs help. Okay, so that's like the completed look though. And my other eye. Which can be very tricky. This eye is like struggling. I might erase it again because I just it bugs me if it doesn't look how I want it to look. There it is. Gotta do the little shimmer green lid. With the shimmer, let's see the green eyeliner. Look kind of crazy, but I kind of like it. We'll see if these lashes can really stick, or if they're just like a one-time deal. So it looks like you can use them multiple times. That's cool. Okay, I think I finally got it to stick. Oh my god, that took forever. It's on. Took forever, but it's on. Okay. Okay, we do some blush. Maybe. Found it. I thought a black lipstick would look good. Kind of crazy, but there we go. Bye.